So we're going to discuss and explain these matrices. So number one is given is 3G plus 2H. So the matrix is says of G is 2, 8, 3, 6, negative 1, negative 2, 5, 0, 4. And matrix H is negative 1, negative 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8. And the sizes is 3 by 3. So the next step is we're going to multiply this itself. So matrix G is 8 times velocity just a 3. Example, 2 times 3, 8 times 3, 3 times 3, 6 times 3, negative 1 times 3, negative 2 times 3, 5 times 3, 0 times 3, and 4 times 3. And the same with matrix H. Matrix H is, you will be multiplied by 2 because this is the given. So, halimbawa, 1 times 2, 2 times, negative 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2, 3 times 2, 6 times 2, 7 times 2, 8 times 2. So, we're going to multiply 2 times 3, 6, 8 times 3, 24, 3 times 3, 9, 6 times 3, 18, 1 times 3, 3, negative 2 times 3, 6, 5 times 3 is 15, 0 times 3, 0, 4 times 3, 12. So, it is same. Negative 1 times 2, negative 2, negative 2 times 2, negative 4, 3 times 2, 6, 4 times 2, 8, 5 times 2, 10, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16. So, we will add them. So, 6 plus negative 2, 4, 24 times negative 6, 20, 9 plus 6, 15, 18 plus 8, 26, 3, negative 3 times 10, 7, negative 6 times 6, 0, 15 times 12 is 27, plus 0 plus 14, 14, 12 plus 16 is 28. So, this is the answer of matrix 1. So, we're going to multiply them. This is the matrix I, and this is the matrix A. So, we can multiply them. 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 0 times 3, 1 times negative 1. So, the same. 2 times 1, 4 times 2, negative 3 times 3, negative 1 times 3, 3 times negative 1. So, we will multiply them. 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 0 times 3, 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times negative 1 is 2, 4 times negative 2 is 8, negative 1 times 3, negative 3, 3 times negative 1 equals 3. So, this is the answer of number 3, number 2. So, we're going to solve this number 3. So, since this is the given number, given matrix is number 3, 2f. Matrix 2f is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, negative 1, 3, and 2. And this is the matrix I. So, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 4, negative 1, and 3. So, 2f man siya, ang f, i-times mo sa 2. So, copy. 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 4 times 2. So, same as 0 times 2, negative 1 times 2, 3 times 2, and 2 times 2. So, copy rin yung I, the matrix I. So, ato na siya i-times sa 2. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. 0 times 2 is 0, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, 3 times 2, 6, 2 times 2 is 4. I-copy ra gihapon nato siya. So, copy nato siya. Kaning 2, negative 1, dili na siya nakuha. So, i-copy ra gihapon nato. Kaning 2, dili ni gikan sa atong gi-times sa matrix 2f. So, ato lang kopihon ning negative. Kaning sa I, copy nato siya. Kaning 4, dili sa matrix 2f, and 2 is dili gikan sa matrix I. So, 0 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 8 minus 1. So, copy ra gihapon ni siya. Kaning 0 is gikan sa matrix 2f, and 2 is came from matrix I. So, 0, 2, negative 2, 4, 6, so came from matrix 2f. So, negative 2 minus 4, 6 minus 1, negative 1, and 4 minus 3. So, ato na silang i-minus. 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 2, 2, 0 minus 0, 6, 8 minus 1 is 7. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 4, negative 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, this is the answer of number 3. Number 4. F times E. So, this is the matrix F. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, negative 1, 3, and 2 times matrix E. So, this is the matrix E. 1, 2, 3, negative 1. So, i-times rin na to ang F, ang matrix F sa matrix E. So, same man sila. So, we can multiply them. 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times negative 1. And copy. 0 times 1, negative 1 times 2, 3 times 3, and 2 times negative 1. So, we will multiply them. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. 0 times 1 is 0. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. 3 times 3 equals 9. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So, this is the answer of number 4. So, we will proceed to number 5. So, this is the matrix F and this is the matrix G. So, the given in the matrix F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, negative 1, 3, 2, plus G. Matrix G. 2, 8, 3, 6, negative 1, 2, 5, 0, 4. So, dito sila same of size. So, this is the explanation. It cannot be added since the matrix F and matrix G is not the same matrix size. As of now, we were going to answer the test 3. Instruction is classify the given matrices as symmetric, symmetric, or not symmetric. So, this is the given in matrix G. 1, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 3. So, we're going to transpose the matrix G. So, this column, you're going to make it row. So, 1, 1, 4, transfer to 1, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3. So, makita naman natin nga dili sila same pag-abot diri So, this is not symmetric since they are not the same. So, arita ag kani ag positive, ito times siya sa negative, imbawa 1 times negative 1, negative 1, 1 times 1, negative 1, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, i-times siya sa nimo siya. So, di man sila pareha, kani positive na himo siya negative. So, this is not symmetric. So, we will proceed in matrix K. So, this is the entries of matrix K. 0, negative 5, 3, 5, 0, 8, negative 3, 8, 0. So, we will transpose it. 0, negative 5, 3, 5, 0, 8, negative 3, 8, 0. So, as we observe, dili sila same. So, this is not symmetric. So, atong tanawon. So, ang 0 times mo sa automatic 0. So, 5, and positive 5 times mo sa negative is negative 5. Negative 3, times mo sa negative 3 is 3. Positive 3. Negative 5 times mo sa positive 5 is 5. 0 automatic. Positive 8 times mo sa negative is negative 8. Positive 3 times mo sa negative is negative 3. 8. Positive, 8. 0 automatic 0. So, as we can see, same sila sa given. 0, 5, 3, 5, 0, and so on. So, same gihapon sila mga sign. So, we will consider it as symmetric. As of now, we will answer the matrix L. So, this is the entries of matrix L. 8, 1, 3, 1, 6, 2, and 3, 2, 4. So, we will transpose it. 8, 1, 3, 1, 6, 2, 3, 2, 4. So, as you can see, as we observe, same na sila. So, we will consider it as symmetric. So, the proceed is positive 8 times negative is negative 8. 1 times positive 1 times negative is negative 1. Positive 3 times negative 3 is equals negative 3. Positive 1 times negative 1 equals negative 1. Positive 6 times negative 6 equals negative 6. 2. Positive 2 times negative 2. Positive 3 times negative is negative 3. 2 times negative equals negative 2. 4 times negative is negative 4. So, the answer is not symmetric. This is not symmetric because the entries of matrix L, the given is, they are all positive, and the answer of this is puro negative, so dili sila same, we will consider it as not symmetric. So we proceed on test 4. Find the trace and determinant of each of the following matrices. So this is the given of matrix M, and this is the entries 1, 5, 0, 2, 6, 0, 4, 7, 0. So first thing to do is find the diagonal matrix. So this is the diagonal matrix, the diagonal entries 1, 6, 0. So we will add them. 1 plus 6 plus 0 equals 7. So the trace of matrix M is 7. So we proceed in the find the determinant. So first thing to do is we will do the basket method. So first thing is, so this is the given. So we will do the basket method. First thing to do is always find the diagonal entries. So this is the diagonal entries 160, 504, and 027. So gikapira niya to on the second column. Aron makuan siya. So second thing is do this 460, 701, and 025. So this is the basket method. First thing to do is copy the diagonal. This is 1 times 6 times 0. So same gihapon siya. 5, 0, 4, 0, 2, and 7. So copy na gihapon siya. 460, 701, and 025. So after that, we will multiply them. So 1 times 6 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 2 times 7 is 0. 4 times 6 times 0 equals 0. 7 times 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 times 5 is 0. So as you can see, they are all 0. So automatic, the answer is 0. The determinant of matrix M is 0. So we proceed in matrix N. So this is the given entries of matrix M. 1, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 4, 5, 6, 2, 8. So the first thing to do is always find the diagonal entries. So to trace the diagonal entries, we will add them. So this is the entries of the diagonal. So we copy the 1 plus negative 4 plus 8. So 1 plus negative 4 plus 8 is equals 5. So the trace of matrix N is 5. So the second thing is we find the determinant of matrix N. So this is the given of matrix N. This is the entries of matrix N. 1, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 4, 5, 6, 2, 8. So we will copy the second line to fit the entries. So copy 1, 2, 3, negative 4, 6, 2, 8. So we will, second thing is we will do the basket method. So always find the diagonal entries. 1, 4, 8, 2, 5, 6, and negative 1, 3, 2. So the second thing is we will do it again, the diagonal, but this time pataas. So 6, negative 4, negative 1. So 2, 5, 1, and 8, 3, 2. So to find the determinant, we will copy them, the diagonal entries. 1 times negative 4 times 8. So kanina nakuha ni diri 2, 5, 6, and negative 1, 3, 2. So this is other side is came from this 6, negative 1 times negative 1, and negative 4 times negative 1, rather. Kanina 2, 5, 1, diri gikan 2, 5, 1, 8, 3, 2. So we will multiply them. 1 times negative 4 times 8 is equals negative 32. 2 times 6, 2 times 5 times 6 is equals 60. Negative 1 times 3 times 2 equals negative 6. And kani, di i-times na gihapon siya. 6 times negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 24. 2 times 5 times 1 equals 10. 8 times 3 times 2 equals 48. So we will add them. Negative 32 plus 68 plus negative 6 is equals 22. Okay, add them also. 24 plus 10 plus 48 equals 82. So 22 minus 82 is equals negative 60. So this is a determinant of matrix N, 60. So we'll proceed in matrix O. So this is the entries of matrix O. 14, 3, 7, 10, 4, 5, 8, 6, 4. So always find the diagonal entries. So first is we will copy them. So since this is the diagonal entries, this is the one we will copy. 14 plus 4 plus 4. So equals 22. So the trace of matrix O is 22. This one. So the second thing is we will do the basket method. So always, as always, we will find the diagonal entries first. So since this is the given of matrix O, 14, 3, 7, 10, 4, 5, 8, 6, 4. So ikapira na to ang second line aron ma-fit sa iyang size. Copy ang 14, 3, 10, 4, 8, 6. So pwede na tamag basket method. Always diagonal. 14, 4, 3, 5, 8, 7, 10, 6. Diba? Inahalan yun magputang taaron na si Jay ika-fit na size. So diagonal again, but this time pataas na si Jay. 6, 5, 14, 4, 10, 3. So copy them. 14, 4, 4, 3, 5, 8, 7, 10, 6. So ngayon na po sa pikas, pataas. 8, 4, 7, 6, 5, 14, and 14, 4, 10, 3. So second thing is we will multiply them. 14 times 4 times 4 is equals 24. 224. And this one, okay. 3 times 5 times 8 is equals 120. 7 times 10 times 6 is 420. 8 times 4 20. 8 times 4 times 7 is equals to 24. 6 times 5 times 14 is equals to 420. 4 times 10 times 3 is 120. So we'll add them. 2 plus 224 plus 120 plus 420 is equals 764. So again, 224 plus 420 plus 120 is equals 764. So matik, 764 minus 764 is 0. So this is the determinant of matrix O, 0.